How to make corn scrambled egg. Before we start making the corn scrambled egg, here are the ingredients and tools. Ingredients: 2 sweet corns, 250 grams of green onion, 2 eggs, 5 shallot, 5 cloves of garlic, chili, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of flavor enhancer, 50 milliliters of cooking oil. Tools: knife, cutting board, frying spoon, frying pan, plate, and bowl. After knowing the ingredients and tools, let's continue with the step-by-step process of making corn scrambled egg. Cut the garlic into small pieces. Slice the shallots into small pieces. Slice the chili into small pieces, but not too small. Grate the corn, just like this. Turn on the stove with medium heat. Pour the cooking oil into the frying pan. Add the shallots and garlic, then stir well until it turns slightly brown. Add the grated corn and mix them with the shallots and garlic. Add the eggs and mix until it well mixed. Add the green onion and mix until it well mixed. Add salt and flavor enhancer and mix until well mixed. Add chili and mix until well mixed. After a while, put the corn scrambled egg onto the plate and turn off the stove. Then serve.